In the year 2000, DuPont unveiled their revolutionary Cyrel FAST thermal technology for flexo plate making. The process combined speed, accuracy, quality, and sustainability in one powerful solution. Since then, hundreds of customers trust this innovative technology. Continuous performance and reliability improvements throughout several equipment generations have created an unparalleled technology offering, including next-gen equipment like the Cyrel FAST 2000 TD and 3000 TD. The new Cyrel FAST 1000 TD experiences a major redesign, inheriting advanced features from its larger siblings. With a user-friendly interface, benchmark quality and consistent plate results, sustainability advantages, and reduced maintenance requirements, all in a compact footprint for operations with space constraints. The plate making process is incredibly easy. First, load the plate into the port. Second, select the plate type, thickness, and width on the touchscreen. The plate is then automatically secured to the front and rear swing arms. As the plate moves through the heating roller section, non-cured resin is melted and removed by an absorbing non-woven. Vapors emitted during thermal processing are collected and passed through a catalytic oxidizer, virtually eliminating volatile organic compound release. After completion, the plate is automatically ejected and ready for pickup. The Cyrel FAST 1000 TD offers flexo plate making with a compact footprint, high productivity, and reduced environmental impact. More information on Cyrel.com.